Hey guys, it's Rita. I'm participating in a collab today hosted by Sharon with Creative Glam. And today Sharon wants us to create a home decor item. And that's what I've done. So I will link Sharon's channel below along with the playlist so you can see what everyone else has come up with. And let's get right to the DIY. I'll be using this sign from the Dollar Tree and this buffalo check scarf. And I'm going to use the back of the sign. I'm going to Mod Podge the scarf onto the sign. I almost cut it too short, so make sure you have enough material to wrap around and it'll be a whole lot easier. The board does soak up the Mod Podge pretty quickly, so I had to go back in and add more on the bottom. Make sure you get all the wrinkles out of your scarf and then just trim it up, but do leave enough to overlap some on the back and just Mod Podge it down, wrap it around, Mod Podge it on the back, and puts another layer on the front. Now here's where I started wrapping it, and it is going to take some time. You'll have to hold this down in place, and if you leave a little more material than I did, it'll be a whole lot easier. Now here's what you should have, and I'm going to take some jute twine and wrap around the top using hot glue, and then I'll decorate it and show you what I've come up with. And this is what you should have so far. I'll just be using those leaves and berries and hot gluing them to the top. I'm going to use one of the welcome galvanized signs from Dollar Tree and hot glue that on. I'm going to use a leaf and a pumpkin. You buy those in the 5 packs, and I've painted those. And once I get those placed on, I will display it for you. Okay guys, here it is. I think this turned out just adorable. I really didn't think it was going to look quite as good as it did, but it did turn out really cute. You can hang this on the wall, or you could make a little stand for the back and display it on a table. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY today. Thank you so much, Sharon, for hosting this collab. Thanks to all my subscribers, of course, for your continued support. And please hit that like button. It helps my channel grow. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.